Hi there, Peter Fenn here. I'm from the Advanced Applications Group at Avnet. We have today a new product announced last week based on a Qualcomm 8-core device, and it's specifically in a SMARC 2.11 form factor. So we manufacture this compute module with a Qualcomm QCS6490 on it, and that all plugs into a small form factor carrier board, not unlike an NVIDIA Jetson. This is a similar form factor. The point of all this is to demonstrate today some capabilities of this type of platform. We're showing you actually on the development, not on our development board, but on the manufacturer's EVK board, same processor. We're showing 4 different types of AI inferencing and 2 different cameras. So we're using a left and a right camera. So the left side's blocked at the stage, now the right side. So two cameras pointing in the same direction. And for each camera, we're doing 2 types of inferencing. So here on the left, we're doing pose detection. It's going to pick up my skeletal outline. And we're doing segmentation. So these are 2 pretty advanced AI modeling use cases. And with the right-hand side camera, we're actually running 2 other types of inferencing. All of this is happening at the same time on the same platform. So here we are running object detection and object classification with the right-hand side camera. So that's using 1 display interface, 2 cameras, 4 types of inferencing. We can support a secondary display, and we can support 2 more cameras. So a lot of capability in this part. It's got 8 compute cores, 8 CPU cores. It's got a 12 TOPS NPU, and it's also got a very capable GPU. And then in terms of camera interface, you have a very capable triple ISP. So that combination gives us a very powerful building block for your custom products. If you want to find out more information on this product, the Avnet website, specifically the Avnet boards area, you're going to find this development board as well as others from our team. The compute modules are actually part of a larger series that are cataloged. These are all Avnet Embedded products that are designed and manufactured by my company. And if you want OSM form factor or SMARC form factor or many of the other popular form factors, we have that in compute modules, and then we have the different carrier boards to accommodate it. So please take a look at the website, and we'd welcome your questions. Thank you.